Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to send a fax directly from Outlook using the latest 2025 method. Whether you're sending documents for business, school, or personal use, this guide will walk you through each step so you can fax straight from your email. No fax machine needed. Let's dive in. First is open your Outlook account. After opening, click the New Mail. In here, enter the fax number that you wish to send your document. After typing the fax number, you'll add a specially designated server address, specifically at efaxsend.com, and lastly, attached fax file. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to send a fax in Outlook using the updated 2025 process. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to check out more guides to boost your productivity and workflow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.